What if I told you there's a star out there, an immense colossus far larger than our sun, with enough volume to fit 1.2 billion suns inside, so unpredictable that its brightness constantly fluctuates and its shape twists and contorts in a cosmic dance? This colossal star is on the verge of a cataclysmic finale, poised to explode in a spectacular supernova. Meet Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, a mere 640 light-years away. When will Betelgeuse explode? What secrets hide behind its erratic behavior? Are we about to witness a massive supernova lighting up our sky? And should we be worried about our own safety when this gigantic star finally bursts? I'm Tom Bennett, and you're watching Destiny. Betelgeuse, also known as Alpha Orionis, is a red supergiant star located in the constellation Orion. It's one of the largest stars you can see with the naked eye, marking the top left shoulder of the mighty Hunter. At roughly 642 light-years from Earth, practically next door by cosmic standards, Betelgeuse is truly enormous. To grasp its size, imagine placing Betelgeuse at the center of our solar system. Its surface would extend well beyond Jupiter's orbit, swallowing Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and possibly even the asteroid belt. Betelgeuse's radius is about 1,400 times that of our Sun, and its mass is roughly 20 times greater. Yet it's far less dense, thanks to its vast and bloated volume. Betelgeuse belongs to a class of stars known as supergiants, among the most massive and luminous stars in the universe. Such stars lead short, intense lives, burning through their nuclear fuel at breakneck speed. Betelgeuse is only about 8 to 10 million years old, a blink of an eye in stellar terms, yet it's already nearing the end of its life. Now in its red supergiant phase, Betelgeuse has exhausted the hydrogen in its core. It's begun fusing heavier elements, causing it to expand and cool, lending it that characteristic red hue. This stage lasts a few million years, brief in cosmic terms, before the star's dramatic, inevitable demise. Betelgeuse's journey has been one of constant evolution. It began as a hot blue giant, fueled by hydrogen fusion. As hydrogen dwindled, its core contracted and heated, igniting helium fusion. This triggered the star's outer layers to swell and cool, transforming it into the red supergiant we know today. Inside, intense fusion reactions forge heavier and heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, eventually silicon, and iron. Once iron builds up in the core, fusion grinds to a halt. Iron fusion demands more energy than it releases, setting the stage for the star's collapse. In late 2019, Betelgeuse started acting strangely. Astronomers noticed a sharp drop in brightness that continued into early 2020. The star's luminosity plummeted to about 40% of its usual level, making it visibly fainter to the naked eye. This sudden dimming sparked a flurry of scientific activity and public speculation. Many wondered if Betelgeuse was on the brink of going supernova. But while the dimming was unusual, it wasn't necessarily a sign that a supernova was imminent. Scientists offered several explanations for the dimming. Perhaps massive outbursts of gas and dust obscured the star's light, or maybe giant star spots, like sunspots, but far larger, dotted its surface. Observations from the Very Large Telescope in Chile provided a compelling clue. A giant dust cloud, likely expelled from Betelgeuse's surface, had blocked a large portion of the star's light from our vantage point. Fast forward to today, and Betelgeuse is making headlines once again. It's dimming again, reigniting debates and research into this colossal star's peculiar behavior. This recurring dimming suggests that Betelgeuse's outer layers are experiencing significant convective activity, Studying these dimming events offers a rare glimpse into the processes unfolding in the star's outer atmosphere. Astronomers are deploying a range of instruments, both ground-based and space-based, to monitor Betelgeuse, collecting data that could help solve the riddles of its erratic changes. Betelgeuse has intrigued observers for centuries. Ancient astronomers, from the Greeks to Arabic scholars, recorded its brightness variations and prominent place in the night sky. Its name, derived from the Arabic Yad al-Jawza, means the hand of Orion. Over time, Betelgeuse has inspired countless tales and appeared in science fiction, such as Douglas Adams' The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, where it's home to the fictional Betelgeusans. Throughout history, Betelgeuse has symbolized mystery and power. Now the question on everyone's mind: when will Betelgeuse explode? Predicting the exact timing of a supernova is incredibly difficult. It could happen tomorrow, or it might not occur for another 100,000 years. What we do know is that Betelgeuse, a red supergiant nearing the end of its stellar life, is a ticking cosmic time bomb. When it does finally go supernova, the spectacle will be unforgettable. The explosion would be bright enough to see during the day and might even cast shadows at night. It would outshine the full moon and remain visible for weeks, if not months, before gradually fading. During that brief window, Betelgeuse's supernova would briefly outshine the entire galaxy. The supernova mechanism is complex and violent. Once the iron core can no longer sustain fusion, it collapses in a fraction of a second. The star's outer layers crash inward at tens of thousands of miles per second, generating a shock wave that explodes outward, producing the intense, characteristic glow of a supernova. From Earth, astronomers will have an unprecedented opportunity to observe a supernova in real time, shedding light on the processes governing stellar death and rebirth. It will also be a golden moment for amateur stargazers, a once-in-a-lifetime celestial show, if it happens in our lifetime. While we can't predict when Betelgeuse will explode, astronomers are ready to capture and study the event when it does. Advanced telescopes and observatories worldwide are poised to record data across the electromagnetic spectrum, from visible light to gamma rays. Public outreach organizations, NASA, the European Space Agency, and others stand prepared to share real-time updates, turning the supernova into a global event, uniting people in awe and wonder. In recent decades, technological leaps have transformed our ability to study stars like Betelgeuse. Instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope, the Very Large Telescope, and the James Webb Space Telescope deliver breathtaking levels of detail, revealing star surfaces, inner processes, and chemical compositions. If Betelgeuse explodes soon, the images and data these instruments capture will be staggering. Meanwhile, new facilities like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and the European Extremely Large Telescope promise even more profound insights into the lives of stars and the dynamics of supernovae. Many viewers might wonder, if Betelgeuse goes supernova, are we in any danger? The short answer is no. The star's explosion will be far too distant to harm Earth. Its dazzling flash will take about 642 years to reach us, meaning we'll be witnessing an event that occurred centuries ago. Though brilliant, it poses no threat, only an incredible spectacle and a priceless scientific opportunity. Betelgeuse, the mighty red supergiant, captivates us with its immense size, changing brightness, and unpredictable nature. Its recent dimming episodes remind us that the universe is dynamic and ever-changing. While we don't know exactly when Betelgeuse will erupt in a supernova, we know that when it does, it will be a breathtaking cosmic fireworks display, unparalleled in brilliance and significance. So, keep your eyes on the night sky. Each flicker of Betelgeuse's light may bring us closer to witnessing one of the universe's most awe-inspiring phenomena. Until then, we'll continue to marvel at this giant star and the mysteries it holds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Stay tuned for more exciting and mysterious events unfolding in our universe. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving us a like. It really helps us create more amazing content. From all of us here at Destiny, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.